Father's Day is just around the corner. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a gadget, not necessarily a tech gadget, but a gadget. We have a Bushcraft survival knife. It is a full tang fixed blade outdoor camping hunting knife. It's made of 1095 hard carbon steel. Has a knife starter, a scraper, and a paracord. This thing is a absolutely beast, and it is the perfect gift for any dad, grandpa, or husband, boyfriend, anybody who likes outdoor living or hunting. This is the best survival kit knife you can get for them as a gift. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. Let's go ahead and open this, and then right off the bat, very nice presentation. Comes in a nice case. You do get your typical warnings here. If not properly maintained, the knife will rust. It actually shows you how to properly care for your 1095 high carbon steel knife. You just make sure you read everything in here, and it would walk you through how to properly take care of that knife. But let's take a look at what's inside, and look at that, look at that. Look at all these goodies, man. It comes with an adjustable belt clip for multiple carry options. Look at that, bam. This pops open. You don't even have to slide your belt through there. You can just go ahead and clip it, and it adjusts. I'm pretty sure you can even lock it off. Yep, on and press. Wow. So you can lock it so it doesn't open accidentally on you, and I believe it should rotate here. I think you can rotate it because you got different holes and pins. You just screw it and adjust it to any rotation you like. You can put it landscape if you want. This is portrait mode like this, but you can go ahead and pop this landscape if you desire to carry your knife in landscape mode. But feels very, very premium. Hard plastic shell, so that knife it's not gonna get damaged, and you can carry everything you need in this gift box set with this holster here, which is absolutely amazing. It comes with a fire starter. Bam, look at this. And I believe this goes in here. Bam, look at that. And this is the other portion of it. Gorilla, the Holtzman Gorilla brand there. Where would this go? Right here, look at that. Everything has a place for this. Absolutely amazing. I don't think this L key does, because this is how you can kind of adjust the belt clip here to your liking, but they do provide the L key here for you, which is awesome. And you also have this paracord survival cord there. I don't know what that is used for, but let me know down in the comment section below if you know what to use that. I know it's just like a string cord or anything like that, but what you can do is with this is you can just have it tied to this right there if you need an extra, or wrap it around, have it. I don't know if this has a spot for this in the holster, but you can kind of place it somewhere where you won't lose it. And of course you got the knife itself. Now be very careful with this. This is the main attraction here. Very, very heavy. Look at this bad boy. Let me remove this protective plastic here. Very sharp, so be very careful. Let me wipe this oil. So it comes pre-oil, so the blade does not rust, but it actually has some weight to it. Is actually well balanced as well. I do have it on a finger there, It's well balanced, fits very nice in your hand. The grip, the handle is very nice shape to a palm on your hand. You do have this rigid edge there for added grip. You can see there, you do have the branding there. 1095 high carbon steel. Feels absolutely amazing. Let me wipe out some of that oil real quick. Look at that bad boy. Very sharp hand. This is like a false wood type handle there, but it has a very nice pattern design, very nice color. It's looking good, and this bad boy goes in like this, and then you can strap this boy. It snaps in place, and then you can just strap this boy like that. Bam. And then you have your whole kit here in front of you in pocket. If you need to, if you're an outdoors person and love to hunt or anything like that, or need anything, survival kit here, knife, this is the perfect survival kit here for you. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up for yourself. But this thing is an absolutely beast. Look at this. Everything has a place for yourself. You have this here, you have your fire starter kit here, and then you can tie this here to this actually, so you don't lose it. So you can create a knot and just have it here, and then have this bad boy in there like that with the string attached. So you're gonna have everything you need for your camping, hunting trip, anything of that sort. If you get lost and you start a fire, you can start a fire. You got a knife. Very utility type of combo gift here for yourself. Again, if you have any questions regarding this knife, please let me know down in the comment section below. This is your Bushcraft survival knife, full tank, fixed blade, outdoor camping, hunting knife. Woo! For anybody who likes to do outdoor stuff. Perfect gift for Father's Day. Like I said, Father's Day is around the corner. Birthdays, anything like that. Or if you just want to gift this to a special person, he won't or she won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.